welcome back to ENN.
Starting this week on Tuesday and Thursdays, NY students will meet with your testing groups during Eagle Hour. If you have intervention, you will still go to intervention on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Also, there's no school on Friday, so don't try to show up.
Now on to the lunch menu.
Next up, student spotlights. These outstanding students have been nominated by some of their teachers.
So, obviously we didn't have enough time to make our own dough, so we started out with pre-made dough. We're gonna just pinch the sides together so it makes one big flat piece. You can flatten it out as much as you want. Then we're going to start out with a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. So we're gonna do a good amount of both. Thank you. Thank you. Hands over there. I'm going to do a good amount of both. You're going to do about 1 cup of each. So after I have a good blanket of cheese, then I go back over with some garlic powder. Just sprinkle it on. I eyeball, but it's about a tablespoon, or a teaspoon, I'm sorry. So then we're gonna cover this, the other layer, croissant dough. We're gonna pinch the sides so that the cheese doesn't seep out. And then again, close up the sides. So then the last part we're gonna do is score it. And scoring just helps it breathe so that it doesn't puff up. And then we're gonna cut slits into it. You're not gonna go all the way down to the bottom. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 18 minutes. The last part I like to do is add garlic powder to the top. And just lightly sprinkle, a little bit goes a long way. And then we're good. Okay, now that's done out of the oven, we can cut it down the center. And you can cut it along those scores that we made earlier. And this will give us good even pieces.
That's it for this week's episode of ENN.
Have a great rest of the week and see you next Monday. Bye, Eagles!